In this video, we're making this delicious Matar Paneer which gets ready in under 30 minutes. These are all the ingredients you're going to need. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. First, you're going to heat your oil in a kadai. Then add in the onion and the green chilies and cook for about 2 minutes. Then add in the tomatoes and some salt to taste and mix it in. Then cover and cook these on low flame for about 8 to 10 minutes till the tomatoes are soft. Then mix in the ginger garlic paste and cook for 2 more minutes. Then add in the Sabji masala and mix it in. And also pour in the hot water and mix it in slowly. Then add in the green peas and mix those in. And cover and cook for about 15 minutes till the green peas are cooked fully. And make sure to mix in between. And now to this, you're going to add in the paneer. I'm using high protein paneer here, but you can use any paneer that you want. Again, cover and cook for about 4 to 5 minutes till the paneer is cooked. And that's it, your Matar Paneer is ready to be served. Serve this with some rice or roti and enjoy. This Matar Paneer is so quick to make. I really do hope you try this out, and I'll see you soon with a new recipe. Bye!